yourself up. You're punishing yourself because you think you're a bad mother. I get that. Confessing to something you didn't do is not helping to find your son. So I'm asking you one last time, did you kill Doug?
Yes. Valerie, did you kill Doug?
Wait, you got her to unconfess?
Yeah, it's the first time I've ever had to do that. Sally didn't like me pushing her like that, but at this point we can't afford to go down any more blind alleys.
Well, at least that lines up with the forensic report I just got.
They found several short blonde hairs in Frank's RV. Oh, and Jim?
He stopped mumbling, and we haven't heard any voices. Just that squeaky toy.
All right, we're on our way. Oh, squeaky toy. Still a good sign, right?
If he's in sepsis, I seriously doubt that he'll be able to have the strength or the cognitive awareness to squeeze a toy.
What about Valerie's cognitive awareness?
It's all over the place. Why?
Well, she can remember some things, like where she and Doug conceived Cody, but not whether or not she killed Doug.
Because she didn't kill Doug. That's the psychosis. Reality is much more vivid.
She said she got seasick, right? On Doug's friend's boat?
Right.
What if that squeaky noise I've been hearing isn't a squeaky toy?